Now Foods, Solutions, Arnica Soothe Massage Gel, 2 fluid ounces, 59 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Calming and relaxing soothing scent paraben-free. Now Solutions products are not tested on animals. Arnica montana, a plant native to mountainous areas of Europe and North America, has been used by herbalists for centuries. Arnica Soothe Massage Gel contains 10% arnica, but is gentle enough for daily use. For added benefits, we've enriched this arnica gel with vitamin K and the fresh scent of peppermint oil, plus the calming scents of lavender and chamomile. Bring these elements together to create a soothing massage. Suggested use. Apply desired amount of Arnica Soothe Massage Gel to muscular areas of the body and massage. Apply the gel 2 to 3 times a day as needed. Other ingredients: water, aqua, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, Arnica montana flower extract, carrageenan, phenoxyethanol and ethylxylglycerin, potassium sorbate, sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid, chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower extract, Hamamelis virginiana, witch hazel, leaf extract, lavandula angustifolia, lavender, oil, mentha piperita, peppermint, oil, tocopherol, vitamin E, soy, Camellia sinensis, green tea, leaf extract, phytonadione, vitamin K. Certified organic. Warnings. For external use only. Arnica can cause allergic dermatitis with extended use or in sensitive persons. Not to be used on open wounds or broken skin. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.